All right, good morning everyone. Welcome. This is the 20th July, and we are looking at how price is basically moving here today. So pound yen, obviously we're consolidating right now. These are the levels I was looking at. Also sent analysis to our private group over there too. So we're just basically consolidating at this point on pound yen. Nothing to do, nothing to see. Looking at gold here, however, was looking for price to kind of like, break below this area, even looking at the 30-minute time frame. Was looking at price to break below 1706, 1706.50 for price to continue pushing down. But I guess we moved up at this point, right? We've moved up towards the resistance. So now we got to readjust these zones. I guess we're creating a resistance right here. We'll take a look at the 15-minute time frame. Looking at the 15-minute, this is a pretty solid resistance we're creating, and we've created this clean range now. Look at this clean candles to the left hand side. So we've created almost like a 36 pip range for price to move in. Now this was a move happened pre-New York. Gotta take a look at that and see why this happened. Basically, there's nothing that we can see that may have made price move like that. So also we're breaking below this wick now. So yeah, I guess I'm just gonna wait over here. I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. I don't want to make any decisions because even though we're breaking below the low to potentially correct this move, but yeah, this is very tough. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait to see how the 30-minute candle is gonna close, because ideally, if you're looking for buys, maybe waiting for price to create some sort of a support would be a much better idea, because then you can buy from there for price to move up. Or if you're looking for sells, I think sells are going to be better if we create support, and if the candle doesn't break that, well, that's a little forward thinking, but we'll wait to see how price creates support, and then we'll see what we can do. Euro may have sell opportunity. Oh, nice. Send a chart and we'll take a look at that in more detail. Euro. So, yep, I guess we'll have to wait over here. How do you make this font smaller? Anyway, GJ is melting. Amazing. We want GJ to melt here a little bit to break and close below 165, 580, 570, and then potentially we can come into this range to move down. We got like a 36, 37 pip range. Please explain CAD news. Yeah, we got CPI looking at bigger numbers, so I think USD CAD, like they're looking at big numbers. CAD should gain some strength, and then it may go the opposite way. So haven't traded USD CAD in a while, so I have no idea. How come his chart isn't close to the edges? How can I do that? Click this button right here. See, close to the edge. You click this, away from the edge. Nigerian Uncle Ted. Come on, man. See, Uncle Ted would know how to do that. So if you're a Nigerian Uncle Ted, you should know more things. More. Would you like to see one analysis of mine? Sure, send it. Send the chart. Do more videos you did the other day on YouTube. Okay, I will definitely do that. Alright, so pound yen is coming down to this area. So I mean, if we break the low right here with this one candle and price continues pushing down, I'm just gonna stay out of this, because it's gonna then push down without any confirmation, and that's gonna be a trade like this right here. This is now breaking the low. It has a high probability to continue down, but it's very risky to take this trade, so I'm just gonna sit and watch it play out. Now I'm in a buy on gold. Oh, nice. How could we know that fake out will continue? We don't know. How do you minimize and expand camera like that on Zoom? What do you mean? Minimize and expand camera. Like this? because I have the Zoom premium version. I pay 10,000 a month. Let's take a look at this chart over here by David. This is a pound yen 30 minute. What kind of a pound yen 30 minutes is this? I have bullish bias with strong confirmation. Consider risky sells. Oh yeah, above this area buys look good. Above this area buys look good. But right now, I don't think we're just coming down over here. So I guess we'll just have to wait to see how this candle is going to close. Because I think waiting for this candle to close is going to be very important. So we'll have to wait. I'm watching your stream since 2019, but still I can make profits. I learned a lot, but still I can't implement laws on market. Please tell me something. Well, we're going to have an intake in September, so you may want to join that intake. Candle doesn't have a top wick either. Yeah, that just means there's a lot of bearish volume. That's why. How many percentage do you risk per trade? 1 to 2%. Could you look at my trade earlier? Since we're waiting for the candle to close, I guess. Let's take a look at this. Chart here, sent from the gulag. Oh, sells, closure below. Looks good. Now, I'm not sure you took the sell over here, you're taking the sell over there. But you had one chance to send your chart, and that's what you sent. Alright, let's take a look at this chart here. This is a sell. Okay, nice. Closed at 10 pips. Beautiful. Beautiful. Are you planning to travel to Abu Dhabi or Dubai only? Both. We'll see. This move is due to breaking news regarding a Russia-Ukraine war. So they're coming to a conclusion. Oh, there we go. What does this have to do with pound? Of just social Ukraine have changed from just in to a number of territories. Does the YouTube live lecture are not enough to learn? You can learn trading, but I think investing in a course or an opportunity has a much higher degree of gain. I make $200 account and lost $150 due to overtrading. Now my account is $149 again. Well, don't lose it again with overtrading. Overtrading is not good. Not good, man. Overtrading puts you in bad situations. Bad situations you go with overtrading. Oh wow, look at that. Moving over here. 11 pips. Last hour, I'm go to Gulag Laws Dav Call of Duty. But only moved like 11 pips. Do you think it can be a fake out in the 1 hour time frame on gold? I don't know. It's tough. It's tough. Very tough. Could be, you know, but I just didn't see it that way. What is a good range? 2 plus, 3 plus, 4 plus? What is that? 2 plus, 3 plus, 4 plus? Like is your 0 not working? The number 0? Could be like 30, 40 plus pips is good, I would say. Hello from Texas. Hello. Have you overtraded? Yes. Taking a short in GJ, but it's in an uptrend. It's tough. I mean, I think you have to wait for the candle to close over here because we don't know whether this candle will leave a wick and close above 165, 630, or is it going to continue pushing down? Why don't you live on TikTok? Can you please check my chart? Hello from Lahore. Hello. Oh, wow. Correcting the entire move. I guess looking at it in hindsight, maybe this could have been a good idea as the 15-minute candle broke below the low of the previous one to continue down. In hindsight, you know, that could have been a very good idea. But we'll see. Are you trading CPI at 830? Last time you made 8,000. That was USD CPI. This is going to be a CAD CPI. So we are not going to trade that. We are not going to trade that. See how the candle's closing over here. We got like 2 minutes left for the 15-minute candle to close. 2 minutes left. Sorry to ask you again, which Zoom version is that? The Pro one? You can move camera? No, you can still move the camera, man. You just have to play around with it. Yeah, I have to just play around with it. You want to learn price action from you? Awesome. Watching Jeevan's videos on fundamentals, that guy holds so much knowledge. That's correct. Jeevan is a full-on encyclopedia of knowledge. Okay, I'm trying to... Steve will do it. All right, 15-minute candle is about to close. Wow, look at that rejection. Look at that rejection on the 5-minute time frame. If it closes above support, do you think a buy is good? Idea anticipating a retrace? No idea. What pair are you talking about, Sami? How can we buy microfluidity course? It's going to be open in September. Pound? Oh, if it closes back in the range? Yeah, I would say so. I would say so. If we close back in the range and we got a bullish candle closing, I would say that could be a good idea. Okay, 15-minute candles have closed. Gold closed with a rejection candle. So this is where we don't know whether price is going to come down to fill the wick, or will it, or is this a rejection because of these rejections to the left hand side? That's something we don't know, right? So whenever price forms in a way which you're kind of like unsure, just wait for a candle to form and then you're going to know more information about it. Pound yen also closed below this area. I would want to sell pound yen if this candle can wick up and then break this low to continue down. But I'm being very, very, very cautious. Very cautious. Just gotta stay calm. It's only been 15 minutes since the stream started. What's this? USD yen. Oh yeah, nice. 2 lines going like this and an arrow going down. Amazing. Beautiful. Where's going to be your entry, Muhammad Habibi? Come on, Habibi. Can I please ask for pound yen, the current status that we are waiting for the current candle to break the support and new bearish candle to break the low? Only then we can enter sell. What I might want to see is for probably a resistance to be created for price to go down. At this point right here, I don't want to sell because price has already moved like for like 58 pips, so the probability for price to continue pushing down, that probability decreases a little bit, and I want to execute on a probability that's going to be higher for price to move in my direction. Gold as well. I'm just staying away over here, waiting for the 1 hour candle to close. Do you believe some people just can't handle trading mentality? Yes. Mentally. Do you believe? Yeah, I do believe that. I was planning to buy an iPhone in September, but I'm going to change my mind and get myself a market fluidity course. Nice. You know, an iPhone costs around $2,000. So I might want to increase the price on market fluidity to 2,000. So you can really... We'll keep it the same. Yeah. That rejection. Okay, so we have 13 minutes left till the electricity comes back, and we got 13 minutes left for the 1 hour candle to close as well. Market fluidity being adjusted with inflation? Not yet. Trade regular and 1,000 profit daily, but want to trade with boss. Oh. Okay. Yeah, I guess waiting over here would be a pretty good idea. Especially waiting for the 30-minute candle and a 1 hour candle to close. Do you have power cuts in Pakistan? Do you also? Yeah, man, of course we do. Are you planning to go to Indonesia? Nope. Not yet. Let's take a look at this chart over here. Did you trade pre-London? Not yet. This is, oh, US 30 entry when it broke the support impulse entry. Very nice. Very, very, very well done. I was kind of like hoping to get something like that on gold as it broke below 1711, but you know, wanted to be more cautious of things. हमारी 2 से 3 जाती है, आपकी 3 से 4. No, our light goes from 3:15 till 4. No, 3:30 till 4. Are you planning to buy a passport for EU? No, I have a much better passport, Canadian one. We have power cuts in Sri Lanka too. Yeah, York. Good thing you still have internet in Sri Lanka. I kind of want to know what the entire situation is with all that stuff that's happening over there. Bankruptcy, default loans, no oil, less oil. People have to wait for petrol. Damn. Let's take a look at this. Looks like we have another impulse entry on US 30. Very nice. Very nice. Impulse entries. People are catching up to these impulse entries situations. What will be the target sell from 1714? You should know that, man. You should know what your target sell is. Off-topic question. How is your trading desk organized? Single monitor? I got 2 monitors. I have a bunch of stuff over here on my table, and most of the stuff is crammed under the monitors so that I have a clean working space. When the maid comes, the maid kind of like, you know, organizes the stuff on the table, but other than that, it's just mess. Got the AC remote, got my Android phone, got a lighter over here, got some hookah tips, got some charging cables, oh, got a filer over here too, got some money. This is what, 50 rupees? 50 rupees. Any reason why Ted put the commission up to 85%? 85%? I don't know, man. You gotta ask him. Jesus, 85%. But you're still making free money, right? You get to keep 25. He keeps 85. So wow, this corrected the whole move. This is interesting. Entire move has been corrected. Congrats to people who caught that move. That's crazy. Andrew Tate on Friday stream. I don't know. Very bad market condition. Man, if someone made money, then it's good condition. Tidy up your room. It's very clean. Where's your magic key? Most important thing on the desk. Magic keys is on my right hand. Commission on what? If you don't know commission on what, then it doesn't concern you. Doing markets, how can we get commission to show on MT5? First, you gotta learn to use MT5. But this is how you do it, right? So let's say, for example, did you take this trade? No. Let's say, for example, I do a 0.01, right? I do a buy. This is a buy running right here. Now it shows pips here, right? So I'm going to do right click. I'm going to go to profit and I'm going to choose money. Now it's going to show money. So I can change these values here. I can choose lots to amount. It's going to be 1,000 volume is being traded right now. 1,000 volume, right? And then I can change this to lots. And then I can change this to points. And I can also do trailing stop, right? Trailing stop is going to be 2 pips. This is 3 pips, 4 pips. So, you know, you can do custom trailing stops over here too. Trailing stops just means if price moves in 10 pips, it's going to move stops by 10 pips. So a lot of things, like, you know, you can do with you're a MetaTrader, but people don't know that. Like, you know, close all positions are here as well. So, oh yeah, I gotta close this. Are you planning to buy gold in demand after bullish confirmation? No. Sorry if I'm asking here. I'm having difficulty installing Magic Keys on Mac. Do you have a group of people can help me install? Yeah, there's a forum on Magic Keys website. There's a forum there and you can go through that. I'm up $1,000 right now. Put entry start of the wick rejecting. Very nice. Why the market drop? It corrected the move. And pound yen is just below the support here, so we're going to see what happens. Is copy trade not available in the main markets? Yes, it is, under PAM section. DXY is booming. Amazing. Do you know Rock CFX? Yes. I know of him, but I don't know him. Wow, this was a pretty amazing drop over here. Miami में Lambo Rahul से मिलोगे? Yes. Can you explain why you're trading gold and pound yen? Because that's the only thing I've been trading for a very long time. What broker do you recommend? I use Dominion Markets. Been using this for about a year. There are a lot of other brokers out there as well. Pretty good ones too. Got the 1 hour candle closing here now. So let's see here. I've been selling a product that I managed to get it for free. I feel a bit bad. What is your opinion? Hey, man, you got something for free? Why do you feel bad? If people are paying money for it, why do you feel bad about it? Lost 80%, still going strong. Call it a day. For a minute, I thought you wrote spoon. Spooning? What happened to Dominion funding? We basically didn't go through with the project. It was it brings a lot of bad attention, you know, and we need to keep things very clean. What comes third after gold and GJ? Nothing. Does Dominion Market support Iran? We don't support Iran, but if you want to open an account from that country, sure we can. I remember last year whereby we have a losing trade on a stream, then people will dislike. Yeah. What's the link to your course? It's not up yet. FBS how is? No idea. Any trades today? No trades taken today. I'm waiting over here. If we form a rejection at 165,600, I'm going to be looking for sells for price to continue pushing down. That's what I'm going to wait for right here on pound yen. If we create some sort of like, you know, a rejection around this area, then I'm going to be looking for, you know, Yeah. Sells for price to move down. I sent an email regarding discount. If you have Google Drive, haven't received a response yet. Someone's going to respond to you maybe sometime later on today. How many pips is your daily target? 10 to 12 to 15. Sometimes 20, sometimes 80. Sometimes they get to 100. When you started trading, did you believe you will reach the place you are right now? No. When I first started trading, the trading I started wasn't, well, in the start I wanted to make money, but at the same time I quickly realized that it's not about making money in trading. It's the thrill of being right. Once you overcome the fact that you need to make money and you come to terms with, hey, trading is where you need to be right, the high of being right, or the excitement you get when you're right and you know that you, like, you know, beat the market, you beat other traders, you beat institutions, you beat the banks, and you want to trade, that's when money starts to come in. Because once you get confident in winning a trade, regardless of the lot size, regardless of the money, regardless of all the emotions that are involved when you're trading, once you set that aside and you only focus on being right, then you start to say that, okay, I'm right most of the time, let's start to ramp it up a little bit and start to make real money. I think when I also started doing the live streams, things really start to get better as well, because I wanted to, you know, showcase my discipline. And with discipline, man, everything just went, trust me, with discipline. My trading really evolved when I started doing the live streams. It just went to another level. You took a sell over here on pound yen, very nice. I'm waiting for price to create some sort of a resistance and then go down. Can you do a video about backtesting? There are already videos about backtesting. Are you considering buying on gold if support forms? No. Let's take a look at this chart over here. This is pound yen. Took sell here and lost. Was it fake out or a trade? You took a sell over here. Oh, light electricity is back. You took a sell here. Let's see what happened. Oh, yeah, I think it was just probability. At the same time, I think you need to see whether there was an opportunity for you to, oh yeah, there was no opportunity for you to manage the trade either. I think once the 5-minute broke that, you could have managed it a little bit. Yeah, it was tough. I think, did it also break the low in the first? Oh, it broke the low in the first minute. Yeah, that could have been a problem there. So if it broke the low in the first minute, I wouldn't have probably taken that trade. All right, here we go. We are rejecting, and if now, let's take a look at gold over here. 15-minute rejection. Yeah, nothing on gold. Yeah, we need to form some sort of a bearish candle here on pound yen for it to go down, or form some sort of a bullish candle above 1620 to take a buy for price to go up in this 40 pip range. I started trading Forex after seeing your 50k to 1.2 million video. I joined the course and I believe that it will be a couple of years. 100% Sami, 100% inshallah you're going to reach that goal. But you have to be better. You have to be way better. Where will we be if Nikola Tesla doesn't born? I'm not sure. So our mindset is about going right and discipline first, not money. Exactly. The first thing is discipline. The first thing is aiming to be right. And then you can start to look to see how you can create a monetary return. What's a luxury item that you have purchased that was worth it? Just put a deposit down for a Rolex day date. It's a chocolate dark dial, a Rolex day date, 40 mm. And I think it's worth it. I reached a personal milestone last month and it's a gift for myself, and I'm going to pick it up in Dubai. Okay, so we're breaking above this area, but this is not a buy at this point. This is not a buy because we need to see how this candle is going to close. I thought you stopped buying watches again. Yeah, I did, but watch prices are down now. Watch prices are lower than they were before. So I think it's great. I think it's great, man. Like all the people who made money with crypto, they're all selling their crypto. And when they sell crypto, what happens? You know, they're selling their crypto, they got their watches in the market now, they're trying to sell their watches, you know, and when there's a lot of supply in the market, prices go down. So you look at Daytonas, their prices are down, day dates, their prices are down. Pateks prices are down. You know, things are down at this point. And over the next, I think 4 or 5 months, things are gonna go continue to get down over here. Say hello to my friend Samuel Jackson. He addicts to candles. Hey, Samuel Addict. Hope you're doing well. Don't you consider buy on GJ 15-minute candle? No. No, because the 30-minute hair, we closed below support. So we don't know whether this move up is a liquidity grab for price to move down on a 30-minute, right? So, and the same thing on the 15-minute. We don't know this move up is probably making a wick to go down. So I have to wait and see. Have to wait and see. Would an entry be flip the current candle? Yeah, just gotta wait and see. I'm just gonna wait for the 15-minute candle to close bearish and then see whether I can take a sell or not. That's it. That's it. There's no other questions. There's no other concerns. There's no other overthinking. Do you like tag your watches? I do have one. What about stocks? You think they're gonna drop more? I think so, yeah. I'm heavily bearish on Pakistani stocks, companies, everything, just going down the drain. Can you buy me an AP? No. How much today? Profit? Zero. Do you buy watches asset or what? I don't know. I just buy watches if I like them. Which is better? Rolex gave away on stream. Already gave away my first one. Do you think Bitcoin break 22,000? I have no idea. Hello Rajaji. Do you trade Bitcoin? No. Guys, do you all have info about trade platform that give you starting money like FBS, the free $140 for doing the challenge? Listen, man, listen. You're probably someone who doesn't have enough money, and you're 100% probably someone who doesn't even have $100. So you're getting all drooly on FBS, giving you free $140 if you sign up with them. Brokers giving away money? No. No, there's probably a catch. There's probably a catch on that. That's some Forex bullshit there, FBS. I know all the in and outs in the brokerage world. So when someone says, hey, we'll give you money if you deposit money, nah, that comes with a lot of terms and conditions. There was a broker out there once, they were giving stop loss insurance to traders. They're like, if you trade your I don't know, like your one trade of the month or one trade of the week, if you hit a stop loss, we're gonna give you insurance for that stop loss. That if you take a loss, we're gonna credit that loss back every time, once a week or once a month. It was something they had, you know, 100% be booked, 100%. What about OctaFX? No idea. I find it hard to focus when trading, so end up rushing my trades. Hey, listen, if this was me maybe 5 years ago, I'd be rushing in trades. If this was me 5 years ago, I'd be rushing in trades, but I really want to wait to see how this candle is going to close. I really, really, really want to wait. You know, I have to wait and see how this candle, if this candle closes bullish, I'm taking buys on the next candle to go up. Oh, I'm sorry, I did take a trade today. So let's do this over here. I made around, oh no, I lost 6 cents due to commission. Yeah. What businesses you're in? Multiple at this point. It's a marketing technique, just how you have leaderboard challenge. Yeah, that's true with the leaderboard challenge, but the winners get something. You know, winners do get something. So You know, and that's another thing, that if you lose, someone's gonna give you stop loss insurance. What is that? Is it possible to be 80% profitable or more? Sure, man. I'm just maybe 60% profitable. You know, look at my stats. I'm gonna press stats on my magic keys. Look, I'll show you my stats. I'm not even that profitable. Yeah, there we go. There are my stats right here on the screen. See this? This is on pound yen. I'm 54% profitable and 35% losing and 10% break even on pound yen. My average win on pound yen is 14,000. Yeah. Let's take a look at gold over here. On gold. So on gold, I'm almost 60% profitable on gold. Nice. 40% losing, break even 0.8%. My biggest win, average win is 17,000 on gold over here. Overall risk is, oh yeah, look at that. 1 to 3 is my overall risk. 1 to 3, risk reward, right? Numbers don't lie. And I've been saying 1 to 1 all this time. 1 to 3. Maybe it's because I'm also securing partial positions in losses. Maybe that's why this risk reward is bigger than what it really should be. On pound yen is 1 to 6. Oh, pip based. Okay. Yeah. So with the risk I use, I would need 2,000 losing trades to blow my account on pound yen. I would need 600. Yeah, my risk is more on gold. In Pakistan, SPP has prohibited trading to broker, even mentioned OctaFX and called it illegal. What effects traders getting? Nothing. Nothing. State Bank of Pakistan has much bigger things to worry about than some. State Bank of Pakistan has no money, basically. In about 5 months, things are going to get really hard for State Bank of Pakistan. So they really need to focus on keeping money in the reserves rather than, thinking about how they can't make money from things they can't. That's the whole problem. Can't wait for Miami. Oh man, I think it's going to be amazing. I'm going to be in Miami. I think I'm going to be in Miami after like a year and a half. All my friends are going to be there. We're going to have a boot camp. Man, it's going to be an amazing time. GJ sells valid? No. What? This 15-minute candle is going to close in 4 minutes, so we'll see. I made 100% yesterday in 3 trades. That was the real adrenaline. Nice. Looks like you went on an adventure. My day trades are mostly winners, but I have a problem holding till my TP. Any advice other than closing partials? Then just focus on day trades, man. Numbers don't lie. That's correct. Is 4% a day too much? I think it's great. What car are you renting in Miami? I don't know. One of my friends, he's bringing his cars down to Miami, so I'm probably going to drive that around. I haven't really asked him, but I'm going to ask him. Probably he's in the chat over here, but yeah, we'll see. Oh yeah, he's here. was gonna send you a message on WhatsApp, but yeah, perfect. Let's do it. And then you can make a story. Oh look, I got this car and I got that car, but my friend drives it. No, it's amazing. Washington DC, I don't know. Isn't a flip on a 30-minute good for continuation? Yeah, but if you can see the 15-minute close bearish with the big rejection, that's going to be much better. Let's take a look at this chart. This trade, once we broke below, as you can see, I can't see anything. And it was also in a range, so I would say this would have been a very interesting trade. How do you learn the balance of letting the trade breathe enough to work in your favor? Oh yeah, that's one of the big questions I get all the time. How did I manage to let the trade breathe? Now, that came from watching trades go my way a lot of times. That's how it came from. And one day I was fed up of this. Like, you need to be really fed the fuck up about things going your way and you're not being in that trade. And I got fed up. I'm like, okay, you know what? Fuck this. I'm just gonna let this trade run. So I opened up a trade, half of my risk size. I let the trade run. I'm like, hey, I'm just gonna let it run for the 30 minutes. and I'm not going to do anything until the 30-minute candle closes. And my take profit was around 10-12 pips. And when the 30-minute candle closed, this was on gold. When the 30-minute candle closed, I got like 25 pips out of it. I'm like, oh wow, I really had it in me to let the candle to close while I was in the trade. And when that happened the first time, I was like, man, this is amazing. I'm going to let it happen all the time now. But what happened was that most of the times, price would go 15 pip profits and then come back, hit my break even, and then continue my way. So what happened, I was like, okay, you know what? If it's going most of the time in 10 to 15 pip profits, I can secure 100% of the time at 10, 15 pips and leave the rest running. You know, and that's how I got to really understand I need to let it breathe, because the first few minutes price is just going to jump around, going drawdown, going profit, going drawdown. Just gotta let it breathe. Just gotta let it breathe. And that's when this concept of like, you know, until the candle doesn't break the low of the previous candle, let's say you're taking buys, if that, as long as that low is respected, there's a high probability price is going to move in your favor if it's a 30-minute candle or the 1 hour candle. You know, so that's how you have to manage all those things. That show going on in Slack. Try to drive Lincoln car. Too big. Okay, yeah, just gonna wait over here. Gold. It's good. If gold closes bullish, I think there's a very good probability for gold to continue pushing up. I will take a buy on gold. Just gotta wait. We got like a few seconds left here for the 15-minute candle to close. How do you determine when to put BE as candles breathing? You don't put at BE, man. Didn't you hear the things I said? Louis Ting Nang Ho, did you listen to what I said? Just don't put it at BE if you're going to let the candle breathe. Let it breathe. You putting your candle, your trade at BE is like, you know, putting your tie on too tight. Like, you know, like don't. Do you mean candle closing green? Yeah, closing green. Can you make a video on YouTube and liquidity grabs? You can probably YouTube liquidity grabs. There we go. 15-minute candle didn't close bullish. We closed bearish at support. Looking at pound yen. 15-minute candle has closed back up in this range. 30-minute candle is still open. For sells, we still need, you know, maybe this 15-minute candle to break the low to take sells. For buys, however, a 15-minute candle closing back in the range is not a strong enough confirmation for me personally to take buys, right? So I'd want to see the 30-minute candle close back in the range. That's going to be much more stronger confirmation. Why the F did GJ not push down? Well, just look at the candles, Mustafa. Emotional ना हुए, candles को देखें. ये देखें candle, this candle closed bullish. For it to go bearish, this had to go down. It didn't go down. अब आप इस candle को देखें, ये close हुई bullish. It closed bullish, right? Emotional ना हुए, candle को देखें. Candle आपको बताएगा सारी कहानी. Man, I was doing a breakdown of this as it was moving. You know, I was talking about how sells would happen. You know, so you can't hope. Oh, I hope it goes down. I hope. So yeah, for gold to go up, I'd want to see this candle to make a lower wick, break this high, and then I'll take a buy to go up. I think that's going to be amazing. Can you take a look at NASDAQ? No. On pound yen, is it concerning that 1 hour has no bottom wick? Whatever that concerns me on pound yen, I just talked about that. Do you swear in Urdu? Yes, all the time. I swear in my home all the time. My son has learned some bad words, but he knows that it's a bad word, so he doesn't say it all the time. Does the size of the candle matter? Yes, it does matter. The size of the candle. Any tips to trade NASDAQ? I just said I don't trade NASDAQ. I don't know any tips. Just maybe watch the chart. You have to watch the charts and gain that experience. Look to see when it has volume. Oh, look at that. Look at that. If we break the low, then we have created resistance for price to go further down on pound yen. If we break the low right here on pound yen, we have a sell coming up right here. Right here. Your stop is going to be like 14 pips. It's going to be an amazing trade over here. Easy, easy 10, 12 pips, right? See, we've broken the low. Got pushed down a little bit more. And a sell is going to go inside pound yen. The bid and the ask price, they both have to go below the low of the previous candle. GJ is pushing down Raja. I can see that. Look, I'm watching it right now. That's like when you've seen a movie and you want someone else to watch the movie. You constantly tell them, "Hey, did you hear what he said? Did you hear what he said? Oh, watch this, watch this." So here we have bid in the ask price about to go down here, below the low of the previous candle. Watch it click carefully. You might miss it. Keep your hand on the sell button, and you shall take the sell. But matter of fact, I'm gonna use magic keys over here and get ready. Open calc. Right? Oh, we gotta hit switch. See, now we're ready. We are ready. Stop is going to be right here, and TP wherever. So you can see wherever I move this, it's going to calculate everything. Oh, here we are moving now. See, now I'm going to hit open trade. Open trade. Trade has been opened. Stop loss has been set. What's this? Oh, it's 0. It's a 10 lot. Let's do 30 more. Make it a total 165, 681, 160, 165.681. Yeah, there we go. Broken below the low. Awesome. Now we just gotta wait for profits to roll in, and then we're gonna call it a day. We just gotta wait for profits to roll in the pocket. That's it. I can't see what's your TP. Why can't you see what's my TP? It's written right here on my MetaTrader. You were right about get job until you are profitable for months to have your basic. Yes, that's correct. Now, the question is, how will I manage this trade? What do I have on risk on this trade? So I got $1,000 right here on, and then 3,000 on that one. 3,000 on pound yen, almost 4,000 at risk. How will I manage this trade? Let's take a look over here. It's easy to manage. We've broken the low. Impulse entry, bearish momentum. We close below this area. Yeah, this is going to be one of those great trades for price to go down. This is going to be one of those great trades. If you want, you can add another small position right here and just enjoy the profits that are gonna roll in. Roll in. Profits are gonna come to your doorstep, and you shall take them, and you will say, "Oh wow, such an easy trade. All I had to do was to wait for the trade to breathe." That's all you had to do. Just wait for the trade to breathe. That's it. The stream will either get likes or dislikes. Yeah, it's gonna be very positive trade over it. No sells GJ, guys. Wow, we have someone who said no sells on GJ. It's going up. It's going back to 166. Interesting. Look at this gold. Gold, once we break above the high over here, I think it can also continue pushing up. It can also continue pushing up. Air horn. So yeah, I mean, this is something, you know, we're in right now. Pound yen. How many people we got watching over here today? 2,300. So it's around 2,500. So I think it should continue pushing down at this point. Maybe down till this area right here, 165, 380. I think that's going to be a very, very good outcome. Is there a reason you're trading based on 15 minutes instead of 30 minutes? Yeah, because I think the 30-minute made a top wick to continue down, and if I'm correct, then I need confirmations on the smaller time frame, and that confirmation I received from the 15-minute as it broke the low of the previous 15-minute candle. That's where I got that confirmation from. And as we can see now, one of the positions is coming up to 10 pips here, and I'm going to start to secure that. Very nice move, right? So this is the one we added previously, and it's, I think with volume in pre-New York, it should continue pushing down. Very nice. Gold is whatever. We're negative 6 cents here for today. We have to end the day in profits, guys. We have to end the day in profits. What indicator show you total TP? It's something I use with magic keys. Total, yeah, something I use with magic keys. Maybe. Something I use with magic keys. It's a magic keys indicator. This candle is about to come to a close. We can see how it's coming up. Now, here's how I'm going to manage this trade, right? If this candle, 15-minute, it comes back to the best entry right here, I'm going to close half on my bigger positions. That's just a rule I just made up in my mind. That's basically what I'm going to do. Just a simple rule I made in my mind. So I think this is going to be one of those amazing trades we take on the live streams, and everyone, you know, ends the day happy with some money in their pockets. One of those amazing trades that we take in the live streams. Secured 15 pips. Oh, very nice. Someone secured 15 pips. Beautiful. Oh, we got MacTac in the house. Amazing.
Hey, good morning.
Hey, good morning, good morning.
Yeah, that trade actually looks pretty good. Good.
Yeah,
Good.
so far I'm only up like, I'm down 6 cents.
6 cents from what?
Yeah, I took a trade earlier, but this should definitely continue moving.
You know what I did? I took buys
secure this
here.
one right here. Bro, we're talking about the trade running right now, not the trade you took in the past. This is something. Is Mac a full-time trader? Yes, full-time trader, and full-time gambling his body in the gym.
Yeah, both.
See now, right here, I'm gonna use magic keys to put stops at break even on all the positions. You can see right here we have magic keys, close customs, boom, and then put stops at entry with one press of a button, like that. Oh, what's this? Took all profit here. Thanks, man. Oh, amazing. Very nice. So thanks to amazing trading now, we have more people watching now. Amazing. Thanks to amazing trading, we are up almost 3,000 from negative 6 cents. So we have come back in profits. Oh, and prices still moving and grooving, trying to continue to push down. So whoever took this trade, well done for you. Well done, well done. You won today. But hey, there were also losing days too. Like last week, lost a bunch of trades. So I think with volume, we should continue pushing down over here. What's your leverage? 500 to 1. Your everyday profit like that, don't you think broker can be moveless? No. Thanks for stream today. I'll be going now. Awesome. Are you meeting Mac in Miami? Am I meeting Mac in Miami? Is Mac meeting me in Miami? He's more
No,
important.
you're meeting me in Miami.
No. Oh yeah, I'm meeting you because you're gonna
Yeah.
be there first.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm gonna be meeting you.
Yes. Correct. We're gonna go work out and be healthy people.
Yeah. What do I think about gold buys? Since this 15-minute candle is about to close, maybe if the next 30-minute breaks above this high, a buy would be good above the 30-minute, because the 15-minute is not closing like a strong bullish candle. Compared to your account balance, your leverage is only 2. Yeah, as your account grows, your leverage decreases considerably. Do you own Dominion Markets, or they just sponsor you? I own a significant percentage in the company. But look at this right here. Look at this. About to fill the wick. Candle's about to close. There's no doubt in my mind that the next 30-minute candle will continue to push down. Gotta do some dances over here, but yeah, I think after this trade, if it does continue running, this is going to be the perfect time to basically call it a day, because an easy win. So easy. Once it started, once it broke below the low, I was like, man, this is it. And Mustafa, I think you're watching right now, just had to be patient. Had to be patient. This is something, we're in right now. How yen. How many people we are watching? 2300. Magic keys changed my trading life for good, not gonna lie. Oh, nice. See, this guy isn't lying. 15-minute close on gold is good. Let's take a look at that. 15-minute. 15-minute on gold close is, yeah, I don't think that's good enough. Maybe needed to close a little bit bigger. So I would still say if this 30-minute breaks above the previous high, I think it's going to be, excuse me, I think it's going to be better. It's going to be better. Do you think that creating a system with 0 to 1 rules for impatient is good? I think so. Is Jeevan going to be in Miami? I hope so. I hope so. Don Wu is taking the same trade. He has, see, he's a really good student, was a really good student. He probably has my stream open on one side and takes exactly the same ones. Exactly. Most of his wins are on Tuesdays and Thursdays when, no, losses. Tuesdays and Thursdays when I don't do a live stream. But the wins are Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. See the sarcasm? Can you make a workout session 2 in Miami? Yes, we will. What made him a good student? Discipline. Sometimes I set a zone on the 1 hour, but the zone is different on 30-minute. Any advice? Should I adjust it? Yes, I adjust my zones all the time. All the time I adjust my zones. Seeing a buy on GJ. What? Can you create a Raja expert advisor for your strategy? Yes, the live streams. Gold is stuck. Yes. Can you make a workout session? Are you trading rupee? No. Are you full-time trader? Full-time trader, part-time gambler, and maybe another part-time degenerate. First time I saw Mac was in Miami. I remember me and Kerwin were driving and you were standing on the side of the road and we stopped to pick you up.
No,
Right?
you didn't.
Really?
You're such a liar. What?
Really?
Bro, where did that come from?
Where was it then? Was it at Prime?
Bro, I met you at Prime 112, and then I went to your boot camp.
Oh
the
yeah.
hotel.
Oh yeah.
So pick me up on the side of the road like
That's hilarious.
That's hilarious.
Yeah. Oh, Kevon's gonna be there too. No, he lives in Orlando. You moved to Orlando?
No, I moved to Palm Beach. I'm a couple minutes away.
Oh, okay.
When you come to Miami?
Yeah, we're gonna be there on the 5th till the 12th September.
Okay, I'll be out there.
Yeah, that one full week. Why did we secure profits? 15 pips. Oh, Mustafa is angry. When will you come to LA? I don't know. LA is just way too far, man. Way too far from where I am right now. Could you tell us how to proper scale MT5 chart as trading view? Folat Safi. I think you can basically... Oh, wow, look at this. So if this 30-minute candle breaks the high above this area, that's going to be a way, way better opportunity. Because now we've basically created this lower wick. Best trader, greetings from Lebanon. Amazing. I really miss Uncle Ted, but fortunately he only deals with millionaires now. No. Well, yeah. And no. He did win that $100 challenge we had. But he's not going to get that prize money because he already has a lot of $100 bills. So I'm pretty sure he doesn't need one more. There's no news. Yeah, there's no news. Go to Kansas City. It's right in the middle of the US. We will. Can Mac do 500 push-ups? Probably in 5 days.
Nah, I think I can do maybe 200 in 2 sit-ins.
Yeah, I can do 50 in a row.
Yeah, 50 is easy.
50 in a row is easy. That's true.
So you just gotta push it, take some fucking pre-workout and do 100.
Yeah.
Like a 10-minute break and then do another 100.
Yeah, you can take your pre-workout. I'll do 100 right after I wake up.
Yeah.
I don't like to brag anyway. Okay, which broker gives good volume profile? I don't know, man.
Where do you get these questions?
Can we take a fresh entry on GJ? Fresh entry? Yeah, once we break below this low, then yeah, for sure.
GJ right now it's at a very strong weekly zone, so careful.
Yeah, I should dump into that zone.
Down to 165 flat.
Yeah, I totally believe that. 165 flat, 100%.
Oh.
For sure, why not? Probably around 300. I'm probably going to secure these positions. Did you use the weekend's new $70 million house? No, I didn't. I'm focused on my $1 million home. 70 million, man. Was watching this interview of Shaquille O'Neal, and they asked him, so how big is their house? He's like, his house is like 70,000 square foot. He bought the house when it was like 26,000 square foot. So then he just added more buildings and stuff like that. And then they asked him, so which rooms do you use the most? He's like, I use the kitchen and I use my bedroom the most. And they asked him, have you ever gone to the gym in the house or to the movie theater? He's like, nah, never. You know, I think these people buy these big homes just to like put money away. That's the only reason. I think that's the
Yeah.
only.
I think,
Look
think
at
he
look
got
at
rid
Rick.
of that home too.
Yeah, look at Rick
Yeah.
Ross.
Yeah.
Huge freaking house.
People, because your cash can be stolen, but your property it can't be stolen. It's just there. It's like money in the ground, safe. It's not going to lose value. Nothing. Like if I look at it this way, right? If I have, let's say, 500,000 in the bank, and I know for sure I'm not spending that amount anytime soon, I'd rather have it put in some like property or something. You know, property or any like, you know, a pre-construction project where I know it's not going to lose money. Worst comes to worst, the worst, without any like, you know, pandemic or anything like that, the worst that can happen with property is you may get out at break even. That's the worst that can happen. But all these guys talking about put this in like, you know, like crypto and all that. No. You want to keep your money safe, put it in real estate. If you got money to invest, then do with like, you know, stocks or crypto or whatever. You know, if you're like a big boy, then you can just go start housing projects or invest in housing projects and do it like that. Invest in PDI, never. How's Pakistan real estate? Booming. Great returns in Pakistan real estate. No word of a lie. Amazing returns. What we're going to do about the euro tomorrow? I don't know. We'll see. I'm going to do a live stream tomorrow and we'll see. Crypto will get regulated soon. Price will probably go down the drains. Oh, yeah. I mean, it should is. Should is. What's a business you did which people thought was stupid, but you were... Oh, it was selling DVDs. You guys remember that DVDs? That DVDs were crazy.
You sold DVDs?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Roger sold DVDs, man, back in the days.
Bootleg DVDs?
No, market fluidity DVDs.
Oh yeah,
Market
oh yeah, I remember those.
Yeah. So it was like you buy the DVD. It was like for $100, $140. You know, you buy the DVD and you get access to like a database we compiled. Yeah, that's what we sold like a long time ago.
Nowadays, I think it comes out cheaper if you buy like portable USBs.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And people are like, oh, it's a dumb. Who buys DVDs? Man, we sold DVDs for like 77,000.
Bro, I remember you were getting ranked.
Yeah, I sold like 580 DVDs.
You were getting ranked. It's like, oh, this guy sells DVDs and it's 2001. Yeah.
2018, last half of 2017, 2018, 2019, sold DVDs. Sold like 580 DVDs. Some of them came with my signatures.
Yeah, I remember you did this like a celebrity.
Yeah, it was amazing. Yeah.
Like,
They used to
I
call me.
fucking took out a Sharpie and just write the banks.
Yeah, they used to call me the DVD guy. And some people bought the DVDs, and when they got the DVDs, they couldn't even play it on the laptop because they thought the laptop had a DVD thing in it, the CD-ROM, and it didn't.
It was an old ass fucking laptop with a CD-ROM.
No, man, the new laptops don't have any CD-ROMs in it.
Oh, they don't?
How are you even profitably trading, man? That's my concern right now. Oh, they don't? Bro, do you even
Laptops should have DVD players.
do you even inspect things when you buy them?
What DVD players stopped making like probably 5-6 years ago? Probably.
Yeah, but they still have CD-ROMs, so...
No, they
No,
don't.
what computer has a CD-ROM?
Bro, Rakeel just said it.
They don't.
Laptops have CD-ROMs.
They didn't
No,
even have
10 years
CD-ROMs.
ago.
Wait, I got a MacBook right here.
Yeah, get your CD-ROM from your MacBook.
Let me see my MacBook, bro.
There's no CD-ROM in anything.
Yeah, there's nothing in it.
You see, mine has porn.
Yours does?
Bro, yours have a CD-ROM because it's 10 years old, man.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Garbage.
All right. Pound yen position is about to get stopped out over here. It's a good thing we secured. Let's close this one.
Yeah, y'all made me want to rethink my shit. Cause I got a Mac too. I was wondering, hell, is mine? I got a CD player somewhere?
Oh, you do?
No, I don't have. No. I got the same MacBook as you.
Yeah. No CD-ROM. What's your opinion on SMC, like smart money concept, I think? No idea. No idea. What's your average stop loss when placing trades? Like 10, 15 pips? I mean, right here, it was around 12, 13 pips. What do you look at when poaching a trade? Okay, so this stream right here, I think that's the perfect answer to that question. What do you do when you're poaching a trade? And in this stream, I was also looking at the price like this. I was like, oh, about to execute. What's your reaction after losing 50,000 in trading? How's your response? Was there anything you changed? Yeah, man, I cried when I lost 50,000. Like in the beginning, yeah, it was super sad. It was super sad because I had 120K saved up, lost 50,000. I got left with 50,000. The rest 20 was spent in, like, you know, bills, groceries, stuff like that over months. Was there many times where you almost gave up? Yeah, but I also knew that the only way I'm going to be profitable is if I focus on 1 or 2 trades a day and just 1 pair and 1 session. And I learned that from Ted, because Ted was the guy who would come up on the stream. Like, we didn't used to do the stream back then. We used to have yeah, I'm gonna stream tomorrow, maybe, but I'll see. Back then we used to do private Zoom webinars, right? So everyone would jump on the webinars, and Ted would come on the webinar, and he would just take 1 trade on gold. He would win and be like, all right guys, I'll see you guys later. And then we'd be just sitting there just trying to trade up till London close, you know. And I did a analysis of what was happening, and I was like, wait a minute, this motherfucker comes on, takes 1 trade and calls it a day, and he's making money, printing money just like that. And we're here sitting like retards trying to trade every news at 10 a.m. at 8:30, trade the NYC open, like holy shit, you know. And so I was like, okay, you know what, let me just adopt this strategy, which was just logical, and adopted that strategy for about a month. Things changed in 1 month. In 1 month, things changed. And I was like, yeah, okay, you know what? That's not what I'm going to do now. That's it. It was hard 1 month. It was very hard because, you know, once you take 1 trade and it's a losing trade, like the chart's right there. You know, you can't ignore the chart. You have to take a 2nd trade and a 3rd trade and a 4th trade. You have to. But that's when you got to stop yourself. That's when you got to stop yourself. And then you can get 2 MacBooks. Got 1 downstairs, by the way. What's the worst losing streak you've had? Maybe like 4 days, then I took 2 days off. But the best way to stop yourself from trading is to close the charts and open YouTube. Like, look at all the nonsense I watch on YouTube. Let me show you. YouTube. This is what I watch. I watch myself. I've been watching Roman Sharp videos. I watch this guy sometimes. I watch this. Oh, we have 11 million in Richard Million Audemars. Yeah, nice. I watch him a lot. Graham Stiffen show. Watch him. Exploring Atlanta. Oh, Nico. I watch him a lot now too. Then I watch like dumbass videos like this.
bought a Blackhawk. What the heck?
Yeah. Ben Mala's pretty good. She apparently.
Linus Tech. He's awesome.
Yeah, he's awesome. Linus Tech.
Been
Yeah.
in the game for a minute.
Yeah. I've subscribed to him. See, subscribed.
Mm,
Yeah,
he's good.
Linus Tech. I think money
He's
management
got-
is. Yeah, what?
No, I'm saying he's got a really good job.
Yes.
Amazing job.
Jake Tran. I watch Jake Tran too. Yeah. Jake Tran. I'm 16 years old. I'm going to start with $20 capital at first. Good luck. Save that $20. Save those $20, man. Instead of what?
Buy yourself a smoothie or something. $20.
भाई मैं अपने इंस्टा को प्रमोट कर लो अच्छा यार कर देता हूँ यार यार वलीद साहब हर कोई देख सकता है ये मैसेज thanks for the GJ trade bye take care have fun so see the buys didn't work over here what are the checklists before you take a trade watch this stream when we took the pound yen trade watch that stream watch that part amazing $20 is never going to do anything. Yes, it would. For $20, you can buy garbage bag wholesale, right? You can buy anything that a housewife needs when they're at home. That's what you can buy. Anything that they need. You know, garbage bags, small batteries, you know, wholesale. Buy them wholesale, go door to door, and sell them at a profit. Sell them at a profit. Be like, hey, you know, I live down the road right here and like, you know, I had some spare time. So I'm just looking to see whether you need a garbage bag, you know, like a box of garbage bags or if you need any batteries. They'll say no, fine. Maybe the fifth door is going to say yeah. And then you'll say, okay, well, this is how much it costs, you know? So, and they might say, oh, I can get it cheaper at the store. Then you can say, well, you're not at the store. And if you need it, I'm right here. Convenience cost. And you're going to learn to be confident that way. You're going to learn how to sell. You're going to learn how to approach people and sell people who really, like, you know, that can help them. Not if they really want. What's this over here? Is trading still your major source of income? Yes. One of many. What are the things holding someone from being profitable? Emotions. How much will be the Miami boot camp? Market Fluidity members are going to get a discount. But I think the pricing is going to be up here on weekend, on Friday. I want to confirm bootcamp price at probably between 1,500 to 2,000. Gold must close below support. Yeah, I guess we're creating a support right here as well on the 30-minute time frame now. See this? We're creating a support. The candle is going to close bullish in 10 minutes, and we got a support formed. Look at this. Buddy, there's so many things you can do online. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable. Alibaba.com. With even less money, you can do a lot of things. You can sell and brand so many things. So many things you can sell. iPhone cases. You can sell and brand these wireless AirPods. $3.50 a piece. You can literally, if I lose all my money, this is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to pick a product that's hot like this. I'll pick this and I'll get them branded. I'll make a brand, whatever brand, and I'm going to start to sell these. Look at this.
Make them JBLs.
Yeah, man. Like there's a channel on TikTok and they talk about every big brand and what they use in China, because they're all made in China, right? There are companies who make for JBL and Bose, and the same companies who make, like, you know, local brands or whatever.
Yeah, dude, look at these right here at the bottom. They look just like these. Like, it's the same thing.
Yeah, exactly.
One
So
has
if you
the
look right
JBL.
here, 500 pieces, are gonna cost you what? $3
290.
times
That's the
500,
highest.
1500. But here's the kicker: I do FBA on Amazon fully managed. See that? A winner right there. Better
And
that.
though,
Oh yeah.
and that price, you could negotiate that price, that 350 price. You could say, hey, what about meeting me at 275? You don't have to pay the 315 for
Exactly.
everything.
You know, the only thing I bought of Alibaba was those hoverboards, the electric ones, like back in like 2016, I think. Bro, I bought them for like $40 each, and I resold them for like 300 to like $400 each.
Mm.
That was like the biggest come up.
Let me show you guys a cheat code over here.
And then any suppliers you guys are going through, always ask for samples. Like that's the number one thing. Some suppliers might send you the samples for free, and then some might just want to charge you shipping.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna show you guys a cheat code, and it's gonna blow your mind. Just trying to see the name over here. There is a website. So this is off topic of trading because nothing's been happening at this point. Nothing's happening right now. So there's a website. So there's Alibaba.com, and there's another website. I forgot the name. I'm trying to see what that name was here in the chat. And so basically there are two versions of Alibaba. One's for mainland China, which have very, very low prices. And the other, oh yeah, 1688.com. Thank you, Walid. 1688.com. AliExpress, exactly. Yeah, this is the one right here. These are even cheaper prices. Even cheaper prices. Look at this. Do this in English. And there we go. 6.9 yuan. Oh, that's something else. We are
It's
looking.
the same.
Yeah.
But it's the same owner as Alibaba, no?
As Alibaba, exactly.
Alibaba.
Alibaba.
Gypsy.
So let's see over USD to yuan. All right, so we're looking for wireless iPods. Let's say we go with whatever, these ones right here. These are, let's change it to English. This is for, let's say, medium price of 16 yuan. 16 yuan is $2.30. For how much? For how many? We don't know because this is Chinese. Yeah, it's not translating it. Yeah, it's not translating it. Oh, 17 yuan, 17 yuan. Yeah, you know, so, I mean, man, this internet is the place to make money. Internet. A lot of things you can do. How long on average does it take to be profitable? Maybe, 2, 3 years, 6 years. You are similar to Mohammed bin Salman. Oh, thank you. How do I enter your community? You can't, right?
You
can't. Who is Mohammed bin Salman? Who is this guy?
You're cold.
Oh, no, I don't look like him. Oh, yeah, I do. Look at him. Doppelganger. Oh, right here. Oh, shit.
Doppelganger. Doppelganger.
Wow. That's damn. كيف حالك؟ السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Gotta take a screenshot over here. Wow.
Said I gotta take a screenshot.
Yeah, show it to my family. Talk to me with respect. All right, pound yen is continuing the descent over here. We broke below the low. Oh yeah, right now it's going to continue pushing. Look, we've broken below the low, broken below this wicks. If I hadn't have taken this trade, this would have been a second entry for price to go down, to continue pushing down. Get paid to be his double. I was thinking the exact same thing. It's like Saddam Hussein's son, Uday. Yeah, that was his name, Uday. Where is Raghav? What about Forex family? Who is Raghav? Who is that guy? Raghav.
Rag.
Rag. Rag from the riches. You also look like Rahim Pardesi. No, I don't. This guy looks like a retard. I don't look like that guy.
Yeah, I'm gonna head out, guys. Be safe, everyone. Safe tradings, and have a good day.
All right, man. Take care.
I gotta be fucking cardio. Fuck this shit.
Okay. Guys, please follow my Insta. Mr. Waleed, आपको हम moderator से हटा देंगे अगर आपने इस तरह की हरकत की फिर से. Being a moderator, it doesn't mean you can come on and send your links. It doesn't mean that. Please, पाकिस्तानी हरकतें ना करें आप. इससे तो मुल्क और लोग बदनाम हैं इतने कि अपनी पोजीशन का फायदा उठाते हैं इस तरह. What are the things to learn in order to be a good scalper? Discipline. Discipline is not really learned. You have to really focus on. I don't know, man. I think the best thing to do at this time would be to maybe see why are you losing? What are the things that you're missing at this point? How to hold the knife. You keep your thumb up and your fingers down. If you have time, please look at my chart on BTC. Please send it. We'll take a look at it. How can I be a moderator? How's the pay? How to proper scale MT5? Oh, gold pushing back up. Yes, gold never pushed down. We only rejected this area. I think it's going to be a good idea if the next... Oh yeah, we have NY Open coming up. If we break above 1709, I think we can continue pushing further up. And with Comet Comics, we can continue further pushing up. All right, see this? It's a new candle starting now on gold, NY Open. A lot of volume, 1.3 pip spread. Oh, almost 2 anyway. So, yeah, not this high right here. That's going to be better because we're already, yeah, above this high would be much better. Oh, wow, see that? Wouldn't we want to wick down first? Yeah, sure. But above that high would be much better. I'm confused on why you didn't take another sell on GJ. Because I already took one trade. In the future, can we enroll in boot camps with Dominion incentives? No. No. What currency pairs are you still focusing on trading? Gold and pound yen. Do you have a Discord channel? No. I stopped trading gold, been profitable since I did that and making less percentage, but at least I'm not losing. Amazing. Very nice. Does porn affect trading? Raju. Hey, naughty boy, Raju. Which time during the day do you typically trade? This time right here and pre-London. Are you buying gold now after confirmation? No. What confirmation we have to buy gold? What confirmation? What is the fee of the brokerage? $7 per one lot. I miss hearing Ted's voice. He needs to come back on stream more often. I'll get him back. On a scale of 1 to 10, how good of a student was Don Wo? Please be. He was, on a scale of 1 to 10, I think he was at number 7 because he was disciplined. And he always used to ask me these questions. Hey, why are you trading at this time? Why are you doing certain things? And he was a very, very good student. A very good student. Wow, my biceps look pretty big. Boom. Wow, this one. And this one. Bye. Hey, Kuswatu. Bye. Yeah. May I know your strategy, please? All right, you're getting banned right now. You got many fake out. Please stop trading for a while. What fake out I got? I made 3,000 today. Okay. I decided to hold GJSL. Is it a good idea? Sure, just manage risk. What do you think about gold sells? I don't like gold sells. I would like gold sells probably below 1705. Below 1705. What confirmation are you looking for on gold? For buys, I've been extensively talking about that above 1709. What is Uncle Ted up to these days? No idea. He made in 15 minutes what it takes me all week to make at my job. Brother, you make 3,000 a week? That's pretty good. That's really good. Have a great day. I'm out. Hey, Monty, take care. How to use magic keys for auto BE. There's a button on it that says put stops at break even. There's literally a button right here that says stop at entry. Shouldn't even been trading, man. Where do you guys come from? Who releases you guys to this stream? Where do you find this stream anyway? Jesus, man. It's written on, even if you go to Magic Key's website, it's right there. I watched 80 live streams with Raja and I've made so much good notes. Literally publish a book. Anyone interested? Sure, I'm interested in a book deal. Send one right here my way. I've messaged Dominion Lighten over the last 2 weeks. No one is answering. Maybe it depends on what the message was. And the email is support@dominionmarkets.com. They're all Daniel Savage students. You have to understand no one was dumb enough to watch it and disappoint us. Didn't someone else already create the trading nuggets PDF thing? Yes, we do have that. Where your heart belongs, Pakistan or Canada? Right now, Dubai. कहाँ से आते हैं ये लोग और क्यों मुसल्लत करते हैं हमारे पे? I'm paying my university fee from your trades. Love you. Thank you. ये account real है? Yes, it's a real account. It is a real account. We're gonna go all the way back towards 21 March 2021 March. 2 deposits, 1,500 and 48,500, a total of $50,000 deposit. 1 withdrawal, $500, just to test out the withdrawal when we launched the platform, and then away we went. You can look at the lot sizes, nothing big for 50,000. 5 lots, right? 5, 8, 5, ramped it up to 20 by the end of April. 2010, 2010, you know, pretty okay withdrawals. 10,000 withdrawal, you know, nothing major. 25 lots, 0.1, testing stuff out. 25, 25, 15. Look at the profits too. Had some losses there too, right? Then a sizable withdrawal, 38,000. This was in May for my birthday. Yeah, keep on going. See, now the wins just start to get a little bit bigger. 21,000, right? In May, start to get a little bit of a bigger win. Start to let positions run. Still, overall, if you look at my wins were already like, you know, 15 pips, 20 pips. Look, losses here, loss, manage risk. This one right here, 15 lot. You know, a 20 pip win, almost 22, 23. Still, right? Small. See, loss, small loss, small loss, small loss, big loss right here. Increase the lot size, big loss. Kept going. No big wins, you know, 6,000, 2,000, right? Then had another bigger win, 17,000. Then kept on going. Then had a bigger withdrawal. Now, this was one of my biggest wins here. This was the first big win I had. This was in July. This was in July. I think at this point the count was at like 300, 350, something like that. just managing losses. And then wins to start to get a bit bigger when the lot sizes they get bigger, right? And then I started to use like 50 lots, 40 lots. But overall, like, you know, the wins are small because managing my risk, managing risk, managing risk, managing risk. This was like a string of losses I had. I had a sizable withdrawal there, August, 80,000. Then kept on going. See, people talk about, you know, like I own majority of the platform and I can manipulate my wins and stuff like that. Why can't I just remove my losses? Look at these losses right here. Why can't I just remove them? Because it's not possible to remove them, man. If, like $9,800 loss over here, 7,100, 37,000, and right here as well, right? And then came back, big win, then loss, small win, then 3,000 again. So there was a time when there was just losing, and then this was a very, very, very good trade I had. This was on gold. Made 78,000 in that one. Kept going, $4,000 withdrawal. This was one of the biggest withdrawals I did, 280,000. And then, you know, kept going, had a big loss here, 33,000. So then stayed consistent with like, you know, then lost some confidence for some reason, had a very, very big win, shook my confidence a little bit, then lowered down my lot sizes. See, 10 lots, 10 lots. Right, and then had another string of losses. Kept going, $60,000 withdrawal. This was in October. So I do lose in a row. In a row I do lose. Then this was a very, very big withdrawal, 780,000. So, you know, it keeps going on and on and on. This was my most profitable win streak right here. Win after win after win. And at this time I thought I can't lose. This was Russia and Ukraine had a buy on gold. Russia and Ukraine. Russia invaded Ukraine and boom, price just went up. I was shocked by looking at this trade. It just was just unbelievable. Yeah, and then keep going, and here we are right here. So what happened here? What are you guys getting excited about on gold? Oh, pound yen didn't move. Gold, oh wow, what happened to gold? Gold wicked up here a lot. If you run a brokerage, the main thing you can do is create a trade that you weren't in and use it as a way to deposit money. That's what Omar said you do. It's very tough. It's very tough because you're still paying commissions. You still, you know, there's still spread involved. And then like if you can only do it if it's a 100% B-book run platform, because that order has to go in liquidity. It has to go in liquidity. And even if you're making money on a fake order, you can't do a withdrawal. You just can't, because liquidity is not going to acknowledge that. They'll say, hey man, like, well, you never made this money from the market. How can we process your withdrawal? But brokers own that liquidity. Yeah, some do. Some do. And if brokers, they do that a lot, that means they're making money off of the losses. But at the same time, if people do win, then they pay them out of pocket, right? The reason, you know, we have so much analysis on Dominion Markets, the reason I do live streams, because here's the thing. If we have all Dominion Markets clients, they trade based off the live streams, they're profitable. And we do have a lot of profitable traders. So when you have a lot of profitable traders and you're B-booking everybody, then you're paying money out of pocket. Then that's not a profitable business to begin with, right? The reason we have amazing education, the reason we have these live streams is so that people who do trade on Dominion Markets, they can trade as a confident trader, right? Because we talk to other brokerages as well, because now we've grown to the point that where we have some discussions with other crypto brokers, and the main concern is customer retention, right? A client retention. How long can we keep a client on the platform? That's the main problem there is in the brokerage world. And the only way you can keep a client on the platform for a long time is to make sure they're profitable, right? If you're profitable on a brokerage, you're getting your withdrawals on time, you're going to stay on that platform for a very, very long time. But if you're not profitable, right, you're just going to leave. You're going to trade on there for like 2 months, 3 months, just lose. You're going, okay, you know what? Fuck this. Let me go to another brokerage. You do the same thing there. You lose. And then you go on to the next one. But that's not the model that we have here. Our model is to make sure people win, because the more you win, the longer you're going to stay on the platform and the more withdrawals you're going to have. And once you have more withdrawals, you're prone to tell all your friends about it. That, hey, this is where I trade. This is where I'm profitable. And then your friends come onto the platform. And more friends come on and more friends come on. So as I see markets a BB broker, they won't admit any fault when they are proof that they messed up. It could be, because that's profits out of their pockets. You know, when we have, whenever there's a, an issue with liquidity, where your orders can't close when you're in a losing trade, 100% it's a problem on the platform side, and that's compensated all the time. That's compensated. But when, brokers say, oh, there must have been a problem with your latency, or it must have been a problem with your IP, or it must have been a problem with your router or your internet, that's like they're throwing blame to you. Even though you have all the proof in the logs that there was a problem with the server and there was no connection or whatever, they're still going to put the blame on you, because you're the little guy, you're the one who's going to suffer, right? And they man, a broker the size of IC Markets, they have 200,000 clients come in every month, new clients, 200,000. So even if they lose you, who traded like a, whatever, like a $10,000 account or a $5,000 account, they're like, yeah, whatever, we still made money, right? Because they're so big at this point. But, that's what happens normally, So what's this over here? The deflections you did, freezing, due to news saying no instance was 8 and saying after because of my trading platform fault. Yeah, exactly. IC Markets, yeah, that's basically what they do. You sleep on sofa, you have pillows there. Yeah, I was sleeping. This was my bed for the last 2 days. We were fixing something in our other room. Will doing markets be regulated? Yeah, we need to be in the business for at least 2 years, and then we gotta apply. We've applied for a regulation called NFA. So if we get that, then I think it's awesome. But that's the way to go. I mean, most of you guys have seen me grow in this industry from a complete newbie to something I never thought I'd be doing in this industry. Oh wow, look at that, gold. We broke above the 1 hour high at this point. Yeah, I think till 8:30 we should continue up till 17:11, 17:12. We've broken above 17:09 again. Will the boot camp cover basics? Yes. I was able to bail out my drug lord because of your trading seems amazing. Will crypto still be an option for country of residence if Dominion is regulated? Yes. It will be. Because regulation regulation basically means getting a license to operate in certain countries. That's basically what regulation means, right? If we want to openly take on clients from, let's say, a country X, and the country X says, hey, you can't operate in our country unless you buy this license for us for, let's say, $500,000, then you can operate in our country. That's basically what regulation is. And even if someone's regulated, it doesn't mean that your money is safe. I mean, you look at the banks, all the money you have in the bank, and if bank goes bust, the bank is only gonna, ensure you get 20% back or 15% back. That's what's written in the terms and conditions. So you're not even gonna get your entire money back if the bank goes bankrupt. Just like what happens with that crypto brokerage called you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, I'm gonna do stream for tomorrow for euro rates. I don't think it's gonna affect gold or pound, but we'll see. Quadriga, yeah, Quadriga CX. Hey man, listen to you, and I got a full-time job in sales and doing trading on the side. It's amazing, less stress, and now I'm making more money. Amazing, that's amazing. Oh, man, I'm hungry right now. Really hungry. I think I'm gonna go get some. I'm gonna go get some Mighty Zinger. Mighty Zinger from KFC. Yes, even regulator goes bankrupt. They keep your assets and maybe money. Yeah, man, it happens all the time. So I think it's this. They have KFC in Pakistan. What? You what, mate? Yeah, we do. What do you mean? You didn't know that, man? We got a lot of KFCs in Pakistan. Number of KFC in Pakistan. I'm sure they have that stats. Oh, the yeah. How many KFCs are in the world? How many KFC branches in Pakistan? 80. We have 80 KFCs. I think it's more than 80. Yeah, there's a KFC like what, like 15 minutes away from my house. What is the exact meaning of bias? Just a meaningless question. Are you a jut? No. Did you see the crypto site that filed bankruptcy and no one got to withdraw anything? Yes, crypto.com. Coinbase is in trouble too. Can you post a picture of what the Mighty Zinger look like? Yeah, this is what a Mighty Zinger looks like. Mighty Zinger.
Roger, you said crypto.com went out of business?
No. Coinbase and...
I know Coinbase is in trouble, but I didn't know crypto.com.
Really? Crypto.com... what do we say? Bank?
Okay, it was...
Crypto.com... withholding... withdrawals. Oh no, they're good as far as I know. Voyager and Celsius, they suspends withdrawals after unauthorized activity. Yeah, they did in June. Pauses withdrawals. No, this one right here. Got 100 MB internet and still can't open a web page. Let's try another one. Yeah, they did. Bitcoin withdrawals temporarily suspended in volatile day for crypto market. I think it happens all the time. I think when, I don't know how exchanges basically work, like if they hedge against the clients or not, but I do know that they keep all their funds in crypto, and once it goes down, they're like, oh shit, we're losing money, and people start withdrawing money. When people start withdrawing money, they're like, oh man, we're losing our liquidity. I think that's what happens.
Yeah, I think they leverage against the funds, yeah.
Yeah, they do, or they maybe use some of the funds to put in other investments, and things just don't go the way they expected. Oh yeah, lend their crypto assets to short sellers. That makes sense. Yeah, we keep all our funds in USD. Used to keep everything in USDT, but man, it's can't take any chances. Most of them, they've moved their assets to USD now. They lent 15,000 BTC and 300 M. Oh yeah. Banks in Lebanon could not withdraw USD from their accounts, unfortunately. Yes. Do you think there's life after that? I don't know, and I don't care. Maybe there is. Maybe there is. Which is going to be very interesting.
One thing's guaranteed is death. Everyone's going to get that.
Yes. Yep. 0 people in this chat make money. Oh, Mr. is saying 0 people in this chat make money. Do your work, Gulag. Show Mr. who makes money. I think a lot of people made money today. Yeah, this is what the Mighty Zinger is. They have 2 big pieces of chicken in this burger. Mighty Zinger. What I do is I remove the top bun and I eat these 2 and the lower bun because too many carbs with both buns. Let's see how much this meal cost over here. To be honest, I've never seen the price. Okay, gold is still pushing. We were right about that. There may be volatile with the news of Canada inflation rate. Yes, that's true. We have 7 minutes left for price to continue to push up. This is basically Comet Comics here, the 5-minute candle Comet Comics. Moving up. Can you give your view in GU? No view in GU. You gotta send a chart and then we can take a look at that. Wow, almost about to hit 4 million over here. What a run. What a run this has been. I'm new to your channel. If join your live stream, can I take your live trade? I will profit every month. No. You can stop spamming now. Yeah, this was another great trade opportunity. Is the Mighty Zinger good? Man, it's amazing. It's super, super, super duper amazing. Mighty Zinger. Here's what the Mighty Zinger costs. Ooh, Pepsi and fries, 820 rupees. That's like $4. Pound yen pushed further down to where we thought it would. And gold is pushing up to where we thought it would. Right? Great analysis here today. Secured 14 pips on gold. Amazing. Very nice. How would we have caught this trade? It looks a bit risky, but my thought process taking very... Yeah, like this whole morning I talked about break above 1709 and gold is going to continue pushing up. That's it. This was an impulse entry. We are yet to see which condition equipment for Nord Stream 1 will return from maintenance. What? What are you talking about? Nord Stream 1 will come from maintenance. Oh, look at that. 1712, 1711 reached on gold. Pound yen reached to where we thought it would. What's your advice to someone with a 1% profit each day? Just keep at 1% profit. 1% profit each day is what? 20% a month. That's a lot. My only hesitation was the range between 1712 and 1709. 1712 and 1709. Yeah, it's a pretty big range, man. Look, it's a 40 pip range over here. And this was clean candles here. So now maybe you can make a note that this works. And if this happens again, maybe next month, you're going to be much more confident in this. Thanks. Yes, exactly. Add it to your diary. But yeah, I think we had amazing moves here today. Price did exactly what we thought it would, and some people made money. Some people who had losses, you probably learned something. You learned a lesson. What else do you recommend for beginners? YouTube. So take care, everyone. I'm gonna call it a day. Have fun. We'll see you guys tomorrow, probably for the interest rates for Euro. So,
all right, take it easy.
Yeah, man, take it easy.
Thank you, Raja.
Thank you. Adios.